everyone! In today's video, I will show you how to convert speech to text in Microsoft Word. So first go to Microsoft Word in your browser. Then go to the Home tab and click on the arrow next to Dictate. Then select Transcribe. Now select the language of your document. So let's select English. Then here you can click on Upload Audio to upload an audio file from your computer, or you can click on Start Recording and to start recording. You can upload a WAV, MP4, M4A, and MP3 file. Let's upload an audio, so just click on Upload Audio and select your audio file. Then click Open. Now this may take a while. Leave this window open and check back in a bit. Now our audio has been converted to text. Now here, as you can see, we have speaker 1 and speaker. So we have 2 speakers, and you can also play back your audio. You can click on the pen icon to edit the transcript section. You can change the speaker's name. So let's change it to student 1, for example. And you can check this box if you want to change all speaker 1 to student 1. And you can also change the text. Then click on this icon to confirm. Now, if you want to insert a text or transcript section to your document, just click on the plus icon next to the section, or you can go to Add Document and select just text to insert the text only, like this, with speakers, with timestamps, or with speakers and timestamps. And if you don't like the transcription, just click on New Transcription. Then click OK. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.